Welcome back to your Forex trading update for today, July 19th, 2026. In 2 minutes, we'll cover this week's report of commitment of traders for currencies and gold. The overall commitment of traders overview shows the Nikkei leading the weekly improvement at 6.62%, while the Australian dollar records the largest decline at 1.86%. Gold has the strongest long positioning, while the New Zealand dollar is the most heavily shorted. The United States dollar holds 63.14% long positioning and a positive net of 13,173 contracts. However, its 0.03% weekly change shows little new conviction. Gold remains clearly bullish, with 84.84% long positioning and a net long of 186,682 contracts. The 0.72% weekly decline indicates mild cooling within that strong bullish structure. The euro is nearly balanced, but shorts still lead at 51.33%, and net positioning remains negative. The 0.42% improvement suggests bearish pressure is easing. The British pound records the strongest currency improvement at 4.28% as longs rise and shorts fall. However, 70.54% short positioning keeps the broader outlook bearish. The Canadian dollar remains heavily bearish, with 87.39% short positioning and a net short of 176,279 contracts. Its 0.76% weekly decline confirms continued selling pressure. The Australian dollar records the largest currency decline at 1.86%. Short positioning stands at 59.17%, maintaining a bearish market bias. The New Zealand dollar is the most heavily shorted currency at 88.92%. Its 1.47% weekly decline reinforces the strongly bearish reading. The Swiss franc remains deeply bearish, with 82.55% short positioning and a net short of 36,956 contracts. The weekly reading declines by another 0.59%. The Japanese yen improves by 0.47% as long contracts increase. However, shorts still dominate at 67.30%, leaving the broader sentiment bearish. That concludes today's Commitment of Traders Outlook. Subscribe to Beat Market Maker and like this video to support our work. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.